Prior to starting anything on the TEKS platform, you have to complete your orientation. In order to do so, you will go into Class Link and click on Teacher Tools. Once in Teacher Tools, go into Infinite Campus. As an educator, once you're in Infinite Campus, you will click on SLDS. Once inside of SLDS, you see the icon that says TEKS/Leaks on the top. Click on TEKS, and you will click on where it says Teacher Effectiveness System 2021-2022. Once inside, you should see your name and the current school year. You will click on Orientation. You should have a drop-down box. Click on Orientation again. You will read the information below. Please also note that an orientation video has been provided, a TEKS PowerPoint, a TEKS handsheet, a TEKS reference sheet. Mine says Leaks because I'm under Leader Orientation. However, once you have access to all of this information, you will click Submit. And now notice that your orientation is green. Orientation has been completed, and your next step will be the self-assessment and pre-conference.